What's up, gadgeters? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Big shout out to them for sending this out for review. Bam! Typical Samsung packaging right there. As you can see, over the years it just gets thinner and thinner and thinner. No more power brick, obviously. And let's go ahead and pull these pull tabs here in the back and take a quick look of what's inside when you purchase the Galaxy S25 Ultra from Samsung. So right at the back, very nice. What color is this? This is the titanium gray. Looking absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Very nice looking device here. I love the rounded edges. I love the rounded edges. I mean the rounded corners, and I like the flat edges. Absolutely looking good. Boom, the back cameras. You can see how far they stick out. You have your power button and volume button there. The other side you have your 5G antenna. At the bottom you have your charging port, SIM tray, speaker, and your S Pen. Voila, looking good. Let's go ahead and put this back. Very nice. And on the top, just some mics, and that's about it. This absolutely looks good. What else is inside the box here? I believe you're just going to get your SIM ejection tool and your power cable, type C to type C, and the user guide and warranty information and all that mumbo jumbo. But besides that, that is all that is in here. Let's go ahead and remove this protective screen, turn it on. If it has power, there we go. And that is it for this unboxing. Just wanted to give you a initial first impression of the hardware and the device and how it looks and the unboxing. Absolutely looking amazing. Looks very similar to the last year's, but not quite, because these edges feel a lot flatter and the corners are a lot rounder. Feels very good in hand, very sharp when you hold. It adds for support when it's in your hand, these sharp edges here on the side. But besides that, everything else looks very familiar. And look at that beautiful screen. Bam! Welcome to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra unboxing here at Gadget Beard. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!